Welcome to Channel Designers World. Professor Siddhant Sir DWPSS. This film is about the Jerusalem project designed by Indian architect Manit Rastogi and Sonali Rastogi. The plot centers on a 40-something couple looking for a new house in the Jerusalem mountains with their 3 teenage children. To find a roomy home in their favorite neighborhood with fresh air and breathtaking views, they hired designer Yossi Shaw's assistance. The 3-story mansion, which spanned 300 square meters and boasted an excellent view of the Jerusalem hills, was their dream home, finally discovered after a protracted search. With a modern, eclectic touch, the couple's classic design style was combined with an airy and welcoming area that would be ideal for both smaller and larger occasions. The massive black door at the front of the house, with its gold embellishments, establishes the mood. A 4-meter open island, turquoise bar stools, and sophisticated golden accents adorn the roomy kitchen. With its excellent furnishings and gypsum ceiling, the dining space next to it has an aristocratic European ambience. With a deep blue sofa and a custom-made dark wood wall that houses the TV and fireplace, the living room exudes a refreshing vibe. It also has a traditional ceiling. A light-filled white library divides the living area from the foyer, and thoughtful lighting spotlights different elements throughout the house. The couple's opulent master suite is located on the upper floor. It has a charming fireplace, plush armchairs, and an elaborately furnished bed, much like a hotel suite. Vibrant color combinations and exquisite finishes in the ensuite bathroom enhance the ambience of the suite. A white pergola that blends in with the surrounding mountains adds a touch of serenity to the home's centerpiece, a 12 by 4-meter infinity pool built by Yossi Shaw and situated parallel to the house. With lavish bedrooms that include vaulted ceilings, handcrafted wood walls, fireplaces, and makeup vanities, as well as a spa-like shared bathroom, the upper level is designed to accommodate the growing children. Reached through cozy wooden steps, the attic area functions as a cozy family hangout with a stunning view and access to a balcony. This space serves as a guest room and offers a comfortable haven. The family's wish for a large, hospitable home tucked away in the gorgeous Jerusalem mountains is reflected in the house's overall elegance, comfort, and refinement. To receive useful videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.